For these simple snowflakes, all you're gonna need are some scissors, a pencil, some string, and some tape. So I'm gonna take these apart. Let's start with the big one. And then we're gonna fold this in half. So grown-ups, you can help guide your children through this part. They can help you press it down in half once, and then in half again. That's 2 folds, and then we're gonna fold it in half one more time like that. Kind of looks like a pizza. And then with our pencil, we're gonna draw a little line across and then some lines down. So parents, for younger kids, you will want to do these lines and maybe just do 2 or 3 lines. For kids who are a little bit older, you can do them closer together. Maybe they can even draw them themselves. And then all they're going to do is try their best to cut along these lines. Now, if your child is just beginning to use scissors, they may even still be cutting with 2 hands. That's totally fine. In which case you can hold it so that they can cut it. And if they're just really first using scissors, you might not even worry about drawing these lines. They can just make a few snips, see what happens. But for a little bit older kids, you might be able to hold it themselves and then cut and do some snips. If they don't make it all the way to the end of the line, that's okay. Try our best to stay close to the lines like that, and then we're going to unfold it. We've got a fun little snowflake. There it is. So let's do that with the other ones. Usually around the age of 3 is when they're able to have enough fine motor dexterity to be able to use scissors on their own. So if your child is just beginning to use them on their own and they're moving past the 2-handed approach, you can help them by, they're going to stick their thumb up and make a little duck hand. The thumb goes in the tiny one, and then the fingers go in the big one, like that. They can even practice open, close, open, close. When they're first starting, if you can hold the paper for them, that makes it a little bit easier. And they might still need to use both hands just because since we're cutting multiple pieces of paper at a time. Got my little one folded up. I'm just gonna make maybe 2 lines on that one. Snip, snip. I'll unfold this one. Got another snowflake. If you want to ruffle up the edges a little bit, you can. So once you've made as many snowflakes as you like, you can lay them out. We're going to lay our string across the middle, and we're just going to tape it right in the middle there. I've got my snowflake garland here, which I could hang maybe in a window or in a doorway somewhere. Hope you have fun, friends. See you next time.